Hey, I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist and coach and trainer, and in this context, a social media strategist. And one of the challenges I've figured out how to overcome that may be of interest to you, and that is how to download video that you either did live or you updated or uploaded to your private Facebook group and you want to download it. And now you can't. Let me show you what the problem is, and then I'll show you how to do it. So I've got a private group here. Let me go to my private group. Here's my private group, and you see I have some YouTube videos in there, but down here, let me find it. I have a private video that I did. So this video was done live. You can see right there it says live in Facebook. And if I go to the three dots right here, okay, there's no download, all right? So let me show you how to do it. I want to right click on the video, show video URL. And there's the video URL. I'm going to copy that, Control C, and close it. Then I'm going to go over to a open tab and paste it. Now I'm not going to hit enter. Instead, I'm going to go over here and get rid of this www stuff and put M. So it's mobile.facebook.com, m.facebook.com. Now I'm going to hit enter. So there's the video. So now I'm going to right click on the video and I'm going to go inspect. Okay, I'm going to hit inspect. Now, there's a bunch of stuff over here that freaks me out. I don't understand it, but that's okay. Listen to what I show you and watch what I show you. It'll make sense. Click on network. Now, I'm going to hit play for 1 second. Now I'm going to stop it. Then I'm over here on media. Now, once I've clicked on media, I'm on network media, and you can see there's two of them. This one is probably from a previous test I did. You should only get one. But if I right click on that, open in a new tab. Now, there's my video, and it's playing. I'm going to hit pause, but here's what's really cool. Now I can hit the three dots. I can download. And if you look at the bottom left corner of my screen, it just downloaded. Or I could right click and I could say save video as. Open up a web browser and do test, drop it in downloads and hit enter and save it. This is the process for getting a video that's in a private group and downloading it and saving it to your computer. I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer, in this context, your social media strategist.